The NASA Connection video segment can be used in your classroom to engage your students and show them how NASA packages food for spaceflight. Let's take a look.
Vicky's one of my favorite people to visit at work because anytime you go visit Vicky, something new and tasty is out on the table. So what do you have here that we can show that's really cool initially? Because can we jump here?
Sure.
I always jump to desserts. What about this, huh? Can I say that? Space chocolate covered candies.
Yes.
Ooh.
I'm impressed how many you got in the helmet.
We got quite a few. In fact, there's 10 less than there were this morning. I counted them. Show me what you've got here, Vicki.
Well, to start with, I thought I'd show you some of the older space food
That'd be
that
good.
we
Show
first
old
had.
stuff.
We started out with a lot of tubes. They
Right.
pureed foods in tubes.
Looks like I would brush my teeth with this stuff.
Well, something
But you
like
actually
that.
eat it,
You
huh?
squeezed it in your mouth, yeah.
Great.
And then cubed foods,
Right, cube foods, right?
covered with an edible film to keep from creating crumbs.
Super. Peanut cubes.
So we've come a long way.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Great.
Well, everything else you see here is from the shuttle.
Okay, the space shuttle, that is.
The current food system that we fly.
What's this gadget?
This is the food tray that they use on orbit.
They have a tray to put their food on.
It has Velcro so that the packages can be attached.
Right.
It also has magnets for the silverware.
Yeah, right there. And scissors. We have scissors in space.
Scissors is very important.
My
for
mom always told me not to run. Can you float with scissors in space? Is that legal?
Well, yeah, you have to be careful, but,
All right,
but you
just
can
like
do
running.
it. They have Velcro on the bottom and also a Velcro leg strap. Since there's no dining table, they have to Velcro it to their thigh.
That goes on your leg?
Yeah, it goes on your leg.
I had it on my head this morning. I looked really stupid, I guess. All right, so we've got the tray, and we've got, now tell me about these. This kind of looks, frankly, it doesn't look that appetizing, may I just say.
That's because it's freeze-dried. You have to add water back to it.
Good.
We use a lot of freeze-dried food on the shuttle because the shuttle makes water in the fuel cells as a waste product while the vehicle's on orbit.
Right.
And so it's to our advantage to utilize that water, and it saves a lot of weight by not having it in the food on the launch pad.
And freeze-dried doesn't necessarily mean that it's cold. It's just used in the process, right?
Right,
It's just
freezing
dry.
is used in the process.
Okay. What else have we got here? We get some just mayonnaise.
Yeah, some condiments. They use the restaurant-style condiments, except they have to use liquid salt and pepper.
Oh, how weird.
Yeah, it has to be, they have to squeeze it from the dropper bottle, touch a drop to the food, and then stir it in order for it to work in microgravity.
Okay, now we've got some other food. This one almost feels like it's really cold. What's going on here?
Well, it's rehydrated and ready for someone to try. This is our most popular item, which is shrimp cocktail. This is the most popular with the astronauts.
Did you hear what she said? She said somebody would like to try some shrimp cocktail. No? Anybody would you you like to try some shrimp cocktail? Why don't you come on up? Tell me your name. We need to have somebody come up here and try some shrimp cocktail. Come on in, Brendan. Your name tag says you're Brendan, is that true?
Yeah.
All right, Brendan. You ready to try some shrimp cocktail? I can't even say it, I'm so nervous. Let's have Vicki cut that open for you.
Okay, the package is rehydrated, and then when the crew member's ready to eat it on orbit, they use their scissors and cut into the package, and they usually just cut an X in the top of the package,
I'm glad she's doing this for us.
and then they eat out of the package.
Do you like shrimp? I should have asked you that beforehand. Have you ever eaten shrimp before?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Okay.
He's had shrimp before. Your head didn't swell up or anything at the time, did it? You're not like allergic to shrimp. Poor child's gonna be allergic to shrimp, and I forced him to eat it. What do you think?
It's good.
Excellent answer once again. You guys are great.